Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ron Tyler with Emergency Management Associates, coming to you from the Area Command, 392 miles west of Kitty Hawk Beach, North Carolina. Last night at approximately 9:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, we had an earthquake over near Prague, Oklahoma last night. This earthquake shook the ground very hard. We have felt reports saying that the earthquake shook for approximately 60 seconds. Some people believe that earthquake was a lot stronger than they said it was, and I believe it is as well. It came in as a 5.5 magnitude earthquake last night. It was immediately downgraded to a 5.1. We have a seismogram here that shows the top and the bottom of the seismic sequence being cut off. This usually means, again, that the agency does not want us to know the exact size of that earthquake. But it is at least a 5.1. It may be a lot larger than this. Now, what you also need to know, we've already had over 20 aftershocks since that earthquake hit. 20 aftershocks since 9:24 p.m. last night. I also need to tell you that this was an oil and gas fracking quake. This is an oil and gas fracking plot just about 3 football fields south of where the earthquake hit. I did a study of that area and I found multiple oil and gas fracking operations in this local area. This was definitely a fracking quake. It was definitely a fracking earthquake. Now, we will be coming back on the air later today to give you an updated information package from Emergency Management Associates. But for now, just be known that this was an earthquake approximately 9:24 p.m. Friday night in Prague, Oklahoma. This was the second earthquake that hit here in the last 7 years. The first earthquake hit on February 16th, 2016. It also was a 5.1 earthquake. It damaged 200 buildings and it shook the college football stadium there in Oklahoma. Again, this is the second large earthquake in this area in the past 7 years. It was a 5.1 earthquake. It may have been even larger than that. Again, if you guys have any questions, we will be back on the air later today to give you an updated information package as to what is going on in Prague, Oklahoma. Catherine Sigerson is asking, is this the Craton Edge? I believe it is. As you know, the Craton Edge goes right down the Rocky Mountains. It goes all the way down the Rocky Mountains through New Mexico into northwestern Texas. Then it goes up into Oklahoma. It goes up into Oklahoma and it pretty much runs parallel to the Oklahoma-Texas border. Then it dips down into the New Madrid Range and goes right back up into the Eastern Craton, the Eastern Continental Divide. So again, a 5.1 earthquake hit last night, 9:24 p.m. Central Time, and we will have more information coming to you later on this same channel. So guys, I hope you have a good night, good morning, whatever it turns out to be, and we will be back with you later today. Do you guys have any questions? Sweet Polly Purebred says, is this oil well drilling or tunnels? No, this is oil well. This is an oil and gas fracking earthquake. I have confirmation of that. I did a study. That's one of the reasons that I did not come on the air right after it happened. I have not even been to sleep yet. Okay? I wanted to make sure we got the information to you and it was accurate. Okay? So that's why I came on the air early this morning. I didn't want to come on the air in the middle of the night. This is not a huge deal. Okay? Yes, these large earthquakes can cause a lot of damage. The last 5.1 earthquake hit in 2016, September 16th, 2016, and it caused a lot of damage. 200 buildings were damaged, and the football stadium shook. In this case, houses shook tremendously. One person said they thought a car ran into their house. We have people that have given us statements saying that the earth shook for 60 seconds. This was a big deal. This was a big deal. But fortunately, nobody was injured as a result of this earthquake. Sweet Polly Purebred just gave us a $5 super chat. I want to thank you for that, Polly. We really appreciate it. God bless you for that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let you go here. Like I said, I have not been to sleep. I've been pulling information for this broadcast, but I wanted to get it out to you before I go take a nap, because I don't want to have everybody wondering what happened. Again, a minimum of a 5.1 earthquake hit near Prague, Oklahoma, late last night, 9:24 p.m. Central Time. Have a good day, guys. We will talk to you later. Enjoy your day. God bless.